Optimizing routes and networks can lead to a dramatic decrease in freight miles and costs. Distribution routes and networks become outdated and inefficient as customers change. Performing optimization studies, redesigning your logistics network, and choosing sites for distribution warehouses by analyzing customer and shipment volumes will all decrease freight miles and costs. And many platforms can track fleets in real time and give real-time information about traffic conditions and drive availability to dynamically adjust routes.
Outside of a straight freight rate change, if you're doing an optimization project where you're moving a warehouse or converting a shipment from air to ocean, truck to rail, there's going to be a huge cost savings, yes, but there's also going to be a huge CO2 savings as well. So the cost savings optimization programs, they go hand in hand with CO2 or sustainability.
There's a lot of things around freight optimization that can be done without even having to go down the path of electrification or any other types of the alternative fuels. But they all will add to sustainability just because you're making a much more efficient, delivery network out of your transportation.
There's a real opportunity with TMS systems and other supply chain and transportation systems to really think about how data can be combined to drive new insights into things like sustainable outcomes. So we're seeing a real pressure and a need from companies in a lot of different sectors to think about systems not as just a standalone solution for one piece, but how does that work with several other parts of the company?
Mode choice matters too. Choosing the most carbon-efficient mode may be the most impactful decision you can make because the most carbon-intensive modes are the most expensive. Mode switching will have a significant impact on reducing freight-related emissions and cost. Drayage moves in and out of rail yards can often be served with zero-emission trucks too. Supply chain stakeholders now have the flexibility to switch between transport modes in real time, taking the available resources, transportation costs, delivery time, and sustainability aspects into consideration. And remember, there are public and private funds and programs available to help you get started on your sustainability journey today.
We need to do everything we can to reduce our overall CO2 impact. So we want to work with these industry associations that I mentioned. We want to partner with other shippers and carriers to develop new carbon reduction programs, systems, etc. And then we also want to work on these new technologies that are out there, alternative fuels, electric vehicles, because in the end, those are the big ticket items that are really going to push not only HP, but all shippers and carriers out there to meet their sustainability goals.